Hello, John again with another unboxing video. This came today. Now, as you guys already know, I've been collecting Commodore computers. So I've got 2 VIC-20s, I've got now 8 Commodore 64s, I have got 4 BBC Micro Bs, 1 BBC Micro A, I have an Electron. I've also got Dragon 32, which you guys haven't seen yet, but I will bring it down from the loft so I can introduce you to it. But I'm also spreading into the other computers that was around when I'm in my youth that I never actually got to play with. So this is going to be really interesting because I never actually got to play with these. So here we go. So you'll probably see straight away from the game titles, it's a Sinclair Spectrum. So these are all the games. So we've got AR Kung Fu, what's that? 299. Oh, is that the price? What's that one called? Tornado Low Level, Checkered Flag. So as you can see, I got quite a few games for this. Whoops. Gauntlet, Orion, Sticks. So Horace Goes Skiing, Leaderboard, Ace of Aces, Zip Zap. Never heard of that one. Pedro. Of course, chess. So we'll have to see how good it is. Science Horizon Survival. We'll have to see what that is. User Guide. Ace Combat Air Emulator. Not simulator, but emulator. Joystick. Oh, that's a joystick interface. And what we got here, so cable to plug it into the telly, and looks like that's a tape interface as well. Well, if you've watched my other videos, I've just managed to get hold of myself a cassette data recorder, just waiting for the power supply to come. So we'll be able to try it out. Power supply. And here we go. A Commodore ZX Spectrum Plus. Now, I presume... Oh, it doesn't say. I presume it's a 48K version because the games were 48K. So it's going to be interesting to see if I can get this working, because I noticed that it's an analog aerial, and I think my TV doesn't like analog. So it'll be interesting to see if I can get it working. If I can't, well, we'll be able to see if there is a signal coming out of it, because you can just see it on the telly. But if I can't, this is going to be another video starring this later on. And because what I'm going to do is I'm going to mod the TV port. I'm going to convert it from an RF signal into a composite signal. That means then I'll be able to plug it into the telly over there, and we'll have a perfect thing. But I'm going to be doing that on video, so I'll be taking it step by step on the videos on how to do this. My significant others bought me a soldering iron, so I can do it now. So I will try and get it working on the TV. If I can't, I'll see if we get a shadow of the screen. If we get a shadow of the screen, then we know it works. But if we don't, we'll mod it into a composite, and I'll do a set of videos all about modding it, and we'll take it from there. Right, so I'll see you in a minute.